Calculus in Architect. What does an architect do? Architects design buildings and other structures. They also make sure that the buildings are functional, safe, economical and suit the needs of the people who use them. This is where the calculus comes into play. How does an architect use calculus? Calculus is used in finding area, finding volume, and calculating arches. These things can all be done using calculus. Integral calculus. Aesthetics, lighting, size, and even heating are taken into consideration. If an architect is focusing on the heating of his or her structure and wants to figure out how much heat is being lost based on temperature variations throughout the day, they can utilize calculus. Application of calculus. Calculus is used for acoustics to better define curves of a structure, in order to produce the right reverberations within the building. The curves of the Jubilee Church were designed using calculus to achieve a strong echo. This is the Jubilee Church. Do you need calculus for architecture? Algebra, geometry and trigonometry are prerequisites for taking calculus, and calculus is required to complete a degree program in architecture. Some students complete the algebra, geometry and trigonometry requirements in high school and can immediately start with calculus courses in college. Why do architects need to learn calculus? Calculus is necessary to design a structure that can survive its own weight, the weights of its, often moving, contents, and stresses put upon it from the environment in which it stands. Aesthetic uses of calculus in architecture involve buildings that have more complex shapes than just the rectangular. How can you apply calculus in architecture? Calculus is used to find the area under a curve, or the area of two intersecting curves, as seen in the aphthoneme. This is important because with the area and surface volume, architects will then calculate the amount of materials needed, as well as the cost of the project. Although the tower looks complex, surprisingly, it can be graphed with two simple equations as shown in the graph. As the tower was being built, wind became a major concern for the architects. But by utilizing calculus they found the tangent lines of the tower's main curves, their derivatives. The tangent lines were used to locate the center of the tower or where its mass is focused. By knowing this center, the architects balanced the tall structure by using wind as an ally instead of an obstacle. Thus, the tower was molded by wind. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.